Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video we can find the value of this question, which is 7 minus 7 times 8 divided by 7. So guys, how can we find the value of this question? If you are talented, then before watching the video, comment of this question and tell that which option is correct. Option A is minus 56, option B is minus 7, option C is minus 21, and the last one, which is option D, none of these. So guys, hurry up, comment of this question. But guys, if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve, then don't worry, in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, before starting the question, I want to tell you the basic order of operation rule, which is called PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Guys, here I can write the symbol of P stand for parentheses as, exponent is right as, and M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. Okay guys, now here in this question, not parentheses and exponent is present, so I can skip this two one. Okay, and now we can talk about multiplication and division. Guys, remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But guys, one thing which you can must remember that multiplication and division have much higher priority than addition and subtraction. Okay guys, now I can remove this rule. Okay guys, now I can write this fraction in the form of as parentheses 7 minus 7 times 8 close parentheses divided by 7. Okay, now here parentheses have higher priority than other operation according to PEMDAS rule. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So here multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So I can rewrite 7 minus 7 times 8 guys equal to 56 close parentheses divided by 7. Okay, now here 7 minus 56 equal to minus 49 divided by 7. Okay, now here minus 49 divided by 7 equals to minus 7. Guys, now tell that which option is correct. Guys, if you enjoy this video, then kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of maths video. Thanks for watching.